Can fear be taught? In 1920, psychologist John B. Watson set out to answer that question with an experiment that's as famous as it is controversial: the Little Albert experiment. The subject was a 9-month-old baby named Albert, who was initially unafraid of animals, including a white rat. But Watson wanted to see if he could condition Albert to fear it. Here's what happened. Every time Albert reached out to touch the rat, Watson made a loud clanging noise behind him. The noise startled Albert, and over time he began to associate the rat with that scary sound. Eventually, just seeing the rat without any noise was enough to make Albert cry. And it didn't stop there. Albert's fear extended to other furry things like rabbits, ostriches, and even a fur coat. This process, called generalization, showed how learned fears can spread to similar objects. Watson's experiment was groundbreaking for its time, proving that fear isn't always something we're born with. It can be learned through experience, but it also raised serious ethical questions. Albert was never unconditioned. The fear wasn't undone, and the study caused unnecessary distress to a baby who couldn't consent. Today, psychologists use much more ethical methods to study behavior. But the Little Albert experiment remains a crucial chapter in understanding how we learn fears and how those fears can impact our lives. So next time you're scared of something, ask yourself, is this fear learned? And if so, can it be unlearned?